Policy is the second tier in the agency workflow and works as the hub for the rest of the data entered throughout the program. In this tutorial, we will show you the policy screen, viewing options, and convenient access to policy attachments. There may be differences between products in this area, as Agency Pro relies on the policy for accounting postings. The policy fields and the way each field may affect your accounting is covered in detail in the policy entry tutorial in the Accounting Workflow series. If you are an Easy Apps user, you can skip to the Accord Forms tutorial to continue on in the workflow. We will be using EasyAgent for our example in this tutorial. As with the client data, before you get started, you may want to consider your beginning strategy and your automation options. New agencies migrating from another program may be able to convert their data. Agencies subscribing to download may be able to order an initial load from their participating carriers that will create the policies for the entire in-force book of business. Let's get started by selecting the desired client and choosing Policies. You will see listed all policies for this client and can see more of the policy information by either scrolling to the right or editing the selected policy. Much like the Clients window, you can resize and reorder the columns to bring the important fields in view, and sort the data by clicking the column header. The option to display current items only eliminates from view expired entries or policy entries with a closed status. The display option is set by default to all types, but if you wish to see only policies and eliminate all other types from view, you may click that option. The For option allows you to bring all client policies into view, which is also an easy way to search by policy. If you click All Clients, then Order by Policy Number, you can begin to type the policy number in and it will go down to that section of the list. Double-click the policy to refocus the policy window to that client. The icons at the top may change based on the policy entry you have selected. If you have an image attached to this specific policy, you will have an icon appear allowing you to access those attached documents. The printer icon accesses the policy's coverages report, which reports the details of the policy based on the policy's line of business. This includes any attached subjects of insurance such as properties, vehicles, and rated drivers, as well as general policy details and limits. The Policy Forms and Endorsements button allows you to add text to the policy's coverages report. Simply click the icon, type your additional information, and rerun the report. Directly below the policy grid is a section for policy notes. This is a great area to enter details on the policy entry. For instance, I may note here the reason for this endorsement for an easy-to-find explanation. For more room, you can expand the section by clicking the drop-down on the right. Continue on to the next video to see how to use the policy options to enter new policy transactions.